Lucy, what are you eating? What is it?
Cracker.
Is it a cracker?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. What's on your head? What's this? What's this? No, what do you call that?
Hat.
Is that your hat?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it's a happy day.
Happy day.
Is it a happy day to me? Oh, did you drop your cracker?
Yeah.
That's okay, you have more there.
Me.
Yeah. Lucy, the bird, look. What does the bird say?
Caw.
Bird does say caw-caw. What does a kitty say?
Meow.
What does a doggy say? What does a lion say?
Wah.
Yeah, sure does. What does a monkey say? What does an elephant say? Say that. What does a cow say?
Moo.
Oh my gosh, that's all so good. Is it a happy day?
Happy day. Happy day.
Our dog. Oh, go on. Happy day.
Happy day.
What's the rest of it, Lucy?
Happy day. See.
To me. Do you want to give kisses to Grandma? Mwah.
Ma.
Say mwah, Grandma. Say bye-bye.